Rahubat greetings you all. This is WADJET MENTUHOTEP, and I am here in Pittsburgh, PA, and within the region of HOMEWOOD, and I am working on my project at the Swanson School of Engineering's Manufacturing Assistance Center, and I will be showing you as far as how the Haas mill CNC machine is in operation at this moment. I have received assistance from my instructor as far as on how to begin the operations and put the CNC machine into operation, and I will show you the footage right now as the cutting is occurring live. Let's take a look. On this screen here is the programming that's going in order for us, and the highlighted codes are showing the machine following the instructions that it is given. So when it's highlighted, it's showing that it is recognizing everything. And with it flowing in order the way that it is and as fast as it is showing the speed, and also it is showing how it is recognizing it. I say this once again, it's just the same as a person who is responding to instructions being received to them from the programmer, of which is the CNC programmer. And as far as from a person, it is from of how a person who is communicating a language, whether it be English, Spanish, or Chinese, to another person, and they're giving them instructions as far as how to create something, how to build something, how to produce a formula, or how to do a specific action for a specific result. That is to feed a specific intention for a specific purpose. This specific purpose for this machine is to create the design that I have drawn, and that is put into instructions as far as a code, so it can be able to bring what I thought of into life. So it is I, the human, that has a partnership with it's the machine. All right, and we will continue to take a look at all the coordinate buttons that were made for it to happen. So as far as with pushing buttons, it's similar to a person, it is just that, similar to a person. As far as there's good buttons and there's bad buttons that can make a person do good things or do bad things. Such as with this machine, there are buttons that can make it do good for you, or if you do not press the right buttons, it can do bad for you. Same thing. So that's why it's very, very important to understand math and also understand reading, so you're able to understand the language of how the machine works, and also how to make the machine work better for you. And the same as well for people, because whenever you have a client, the same thing. Knowing math and knowing reading, you'll be able to communicate with them to help them convey what they are trying to communicate to you, and also for you to understand what they are saying to you. So all these things are important as far as to make sure that you are understood and overstood, and also for you to help you understand other people, and so they can understand you as well. So same thing from person to person, and also from human to machine. Let's take a look. Always have your fingers on the cycle start and feed hold. Cycle start and feed hold. Always have your fingers on it. Never know what might happen. The clamps are put down onto the piece to ensure that it stays in place. always have to keep an eye on the machine, and always an eye on what you're doing, and always having your fingers on the cycle start and the feed hold, because you never know whenever your the drill bit might go out of control. So you always want to be in control. Make sure that you are in control at all times. Always pay attention, always keep aware. Never walk away. Never walk away. Patience is key, you all. Patience is key. The programming is an art. Watching it come alive is an art. Just as if you had ordered something and you're waiting for the artist to create it for you so you can take it home and do as you wish. It's like that, y'all. Now considering the first model pieces of the mold, that's what they look like.